Breastfeeding is more than feeding, it's nutrition, comfort, and bonding. But sometimes direct feeding isn't possible, and that's where breast pumps come in. A breast pump allows mothers to express milk safely and store it for later. This enables partners, grandparents, or caregivers to feed the baby, giving the mother some rest and creating shared responsibility within the family. Pumps are especially helpful when mothers need time away from the baby, are recovering, or need to manage work or school schedules. They help maintain milk supply, prevent discomfort, and reduce stress. Using a pump also encourages flexibility. For example, mothers can pump a little in the morning or evening to keep up supply or prepare for upcoming outings. Over time, this builds a routine that fits the family's lifestyle. Family involvement strengthens bonds. Babies develop relationships not just with their mother, but also with partners and other caregivers through bottle feeding of expressed milk. Ultimately, breast pumps make breastfeeding flexible, sustainable, and inclusive, helping families succeed together.